G'day guys, welcome to Unity Tutorials Part 4. In this tutorial I will be going through the windows, even though, well, I should say a continuation of the windows. As you noticed, the last tutorial, the last Part 3, I explained hierarchy, project, set the project area and the console and inspector. One thing I didn't mention was you can, all these windows with the scene and game and everything else, you can actually change the layout of pretty much your whole Unity. So the way we do that is, if you go to the top here, you can see there's default, which if you give me a moment, can't do that. I don't know how to do it, but I think that does it, but who knows. At the top here, it's got default on the top right corner. You got your first one, which is 2x3, which changes Unity to look like this, which is pretty cool. If you think that's handy, then use that one. Then you've got 4-split, which splits up your scenes into 4 different windows, and then your hierarchy, project here, and then inspector there. Your next one is default, which is what we just were on, which I personally use. It's a bit handy. Then we have tall, which just makes the scene, of course, a bit bigger, and your game, and then hierarchy and project. Then you've got wide, which just makes everything wide, the project on the bottom and the hierarchy at the bottom, and inspector is on the right hand side. Another thing, and then you can save your layouts, delete your layouts, or revert to factory settings. Another cool thing, I think, is if you don't want to do that and you just want to do it your own way, you can just grab these little tabs. If you see these little tabs, you can just literally left click and just drag them, and then you can just place it wherever you feel like. So we'll put it here. Cool, that's it there now, the project folder. Or if you want to drag it down here, drop it back there again, or chuck it there, or put it there. Grab the inspector maybe, and maybe you want to put it on that side. And then if you look now, we've got our own window, our side layout, which is pretty cool. But that's just in case if you forgot. It's left click on these little tabs, and then you can just move them around. You've also got these little drop down boxes, which allows you to maximize it or close the tabs, or you can add other ones. So to hierarchy, you want to put a profile in, there's your profile, but that requires Unity Pro. One thing I probably should have said at the start of the video was I am using the free version of Unity, not the Pro version, which costs. If you want, I can go back to the site and show you on how much it is, but I'll let you do that in your own spare time. So now we just do that and then close tab, and that's how you close the tabs. Pretty simple, straightforward. And that's it. That's Unity Tutorials Part 4 on the user interface on how to move around windows and layouts, and I'll put this back to default as it is. And thank you for watching my videos, and enjoy.